Hello, ObiDient. Julius Sabure is my name, the National Chairman of Labour Party, the party that is determined to rescue Nigeria from its oppressors, from those who have held the country captive over the past few years. We are determined to change the narratives in Nigeria. We are ready to fight insecurity, to fight hunger, fight unemployment, and ensure that Nigeria is repositioned to work for the masses of Nigeria. Nigerians have risen to the occasion. Nigerians have taken their destiny in their hands. I want to appreciate all ObiDient. I want to appreciate the massive support, the massive turnout that we are getting across the country and outside the country, especially since the emergence of Peter Obi as the presidential candidate of Labour Party. We appreciate you. We appreciate all the support. It has really reassured us and given us confidence that Nigeria can really walk again. Few days from now, we shall roll out our programs. We shall have town hall meetings where all our supporters will be realigned with the structures of the party. We've not been able to do this because we'll be busy with documentation of the candidates that emerge from the primaries of the party. We shall conclude this process very soon, and then we are going to go all out across the state, across the local government, and meet all our teaming supporters, all Peter Obi support groups, all the ObiDient. We are going to be in tune with you. As I speak to you right now from the media center, Labour Party Media Center. And I want to assure you that the candidate himself will be here from time to time to speak on his program, to speak on his strategy, on how to remove Nigeria from where we are now. We have promised and we have said that we are going to depart from the way politics is played in Nigeria. And we are ready to do this. And this is the program that we have just started. We have just begun, and I want to assure you what you have seen is a tip of the iceberg. By the time we start, all the supporters of Peter Obi, all the supporters of Labour Party, we have that sense of belonging, that sense of commitment towards the movement. I assure you that whatever may be the pitfall now will be overcome with time. I want to urge you to continue with what we are doing. I want to urge you to continue with the support that you are giving to us. What we need to do from the side of the Labour Party and from the side of the candidate, we assure you that we continue to do it. From time to time, every week, we are going to be here to give you updates as per the party, as to development in the party, as per development of the movement. It is a movement that will rescue Nigeria from poverty, from hunger, from unemployment. And we are ready to do that. Nigeria has been left so long in the hands of those who have held it captive. And I'm happy today that Nigerians have woken up from their slumber and we are ready to change the narratives in Nigeria. Come 2023, it will be a new dawn, a new era in the history of Nigeria. And I want to assure you that from 2023, it will be a new Nigeria, a Nigeria that works for Nigeria, a Nigeria that cares, a Nigeria where there will be patriotic citizens, where Nigerians will truly believe and have that sense of belonging that they are truly Nigerians. Thank you and God bless you.